And let's compare it to the actual handheld one that came with your system. So this puts it in this weird kind of flat, like it feels off, like it pulls my hands in. These aren't really doing anything in my opinion, because it's like, if my hands are out here, it's got this kind of strange flat feel to it. And I'm just not that big of a fan of the way that feels, where this feels like an actual controller to me. So in this video, I'm gonna go over this JSAUX gaming Joy-Con holder that makes your Joy-Cons into like a more comfortable kind of like controller for the Switch 2. And let me just show you what you get with this thing when you get it in. I've already had it out and used it, and this is what it is right here. It's got a little connector there and there. We'll set that down, and it looks like you also get a charge cable. Yes, you can charge this while it's in the actual system right here, or while the Joy-Cons are in there. You see the charging port right there? Let me grab the Switch 2. I have it on a wall mount back here, so take these off. Okay, now that I have the Switch 2 in the tabletop mode, check this out. Watch how nicely these connect. There's the left and the right. We are 100% connected right here. Now you're gonna actually configure it like it's working right there. Look at that, everybody. So this is what I normally work with right here. One that came with the system, which I'm not that big of a fan of. It doesn't feel like an actual controller in my hand. This feels like a real controller, and I like the feel of this. Let's just go into a game real quick. Let me show you working this. Oh, I'm actually playing R-Type. Let's get out of this. So let's just go ahead and set it up here. Let's try some Mario World here. So this is Super Mario World. Now I'm just gonna play it. I haven't played this game in a while. If you've got a Switch 2, I highly recommend getting the expansion pack, the online expansion pack. It is so worth it. The amount of games and everything that's on this system is absolutely crazy. It's like you've got a whole retro system in itself just by having this expansion pack. And I'm like, I've been so impressed with this. This is what I play probably 90% of the time, is these retro style games right here. And actually, if you want to go back, let's just go back and look at some of the games now that I have it. This controller's working great. I don't see any issues with this at all. I might even get a second set of Joy-Cons just to have it, and I have it on my wall mount back here. Check out how it fits on my wall mount. You can just set it right there on this little wall mount. Sega games are phenomenal on here. This controller works great with these, but also I use this controller right here. So when I'm not using this, I use this 8-bit do controller. Now let's go ahead, let's put it back in its docking station right there. Check that out. Look at all the different types of games on there. Yeah, everybody, I've been using this JSAUX controller for a while. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just looking for, you know, just to make their Joy-Cons a little more comfortable in their hand. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the JSAUX, you know, Joy-Con controller. See you on the next video.